Today, we're looking into the story of Robyn Lindholm, a woman whose life transformed from an ordinary upbringing in Australia into one of the country's most disturbing true crime cases. Once known as a talented ice skater and later a Melbourne stripper, Lindholm eventually became infamous for orchestrating the murders of two men she had been romantically involved with. Her case shocked the nation and earned her the nickname the Black Widow of Melbourne. But after years of court battles and media attention, many people still wonder, where is Robyn Lindholm now? Let's find out. The story began gaining national attention in 2005, when Lindholm's partner, George Templeton, mysteriously disappeared from the Melbourne suburb of Reservoir. Investigators later discovered evidence suggesting that Lindholm had convinced another lover, Wayne Amy, to murder Templeton. Templeton vanished without a trace, and his body has never been found. For years, the case remained unresolved. But the situation took an even darker turn nearly a decade later. In 2013, after Lindholm's relationship with Wayne Amy deteriorated, prosecutors said she orchestrated yet another deadly plot, this time targeting the very man who had helped her before. Amy was lured away from his apartment, attacked with a baseball bat, and killed. Police quickly uncovered the conspiracy, leading to Lindholm's arrest, along with two accomplices. During the court proceedings, prosecutors argued that Lindholm manipulated the men around her and carefully arranged both killings. She eventually pleaded guilty to Amy's murder and was sentenced to 25 years in prison. Later, after a lengthy trial, she was also convicted of orchestrating the 2005 murder of George Templeton, receiving an additional 2 8-year sentences. So, where is Robyn Lindholm now? Today, Robyn Lindholm is serving a lengthy prison sentence in Australia for her role in both murders. The court ruled that she must serve at least 30 years behind bars before becoming eligible for parole, meaning she is not expected to have a chance at release until around 2049. Over the years, Lindholm has attempted to challenge her conviction, including filing appeals in the Victorian courts. However, those attempts have been unsuccessful, leaving her sentence firmly in place. Her story remains one of the most shocking criminal cases in Australia's history, a tale of manipulation, betrayal, and deadly consequences that forever changed the lives of those involved. Once living freely in Melbourne's nightlife scene, Robyn Lindholm now spends her life behind prison walls, with decades still ahead before she can even request the possibility of freedom. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes exploring the lives and stories behind major true crime figures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.